Hello, croeso yn cwbl fideo hefyd ni'n chwarae Apex Legends.
Helo!
Fi wedi chwarae lot o fe, a mae Harry dan.
Ti'n gallu dweud radio lan?
Fi wedi, na ti yn.
Dian.
A
fi'n yr un sy'n wael at hwn, by the way. Fi'n yr un sy'n mynd i goffi.
Mae Harry yn chwarae ar account fi.
Ti'n sa'n gwneud hwnna clear, dag oedd fi ddim yn digon da i cael
Na, ti ddim yn rhywun o stats fi. A if mae rhywun yn trwy o stream...
Ti'n sa'n video evidence bod ti heb wneud e.
A if rhywun trwy o stream sniper ni?
Stream sniper. Ni ddim yn wneud stream. Na, yn pre-recorded.
Ooh.
Mae Joe Cynna mynd i gweithio yna. O, fi gallu cael dewis da. Caustic.
It's a fine line.
Byth ti chwarae zawn, go for it.
Avoid death.
Oh my god, oh god. Na, a fi'n... Oh my god. Fi'n cofio ti'n chwarae fi.
Just hwnna gyd ni wedi siarad am. Stop chwarae ffôn ti.
Ni ddim yn streamo.
Mae heb dewis.
Heb i wedi?
Na, mae e heb.
Oh, wait, just
Oh,
for T.
great.
I'm good. Just for T.
Yeah.
Really good player, a really bad player.
Oh boy. A mae'r statistics ddim yn go.
Right, just i dweud, o fi'n cael 112 kills ar Wraith.
Introducing your champion.
Yeah. Okay. A fi'n cael...
Oh no, I should have a champion. Damage done.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Fi ddim yn
Fi'n a
gofyn.
jump master.
Good. Fi ddim yn gwybod beth mae'n beth yn meddwl. Fi'n hoffi Rain.
Feeling about this area.
Ti ddim yn gallu gweld nhw ar y stream. Fanna.
Fi'n cael edrych nhw, fi'n cael edrych nhw.
Ie, nhw. Fi'n hoffi nhw. Pedwar
Ken
chwe.
Harry.
Oh wow, fi'n spinner.
Hyn a spin image o ti, Harry, in my opinion.
Mae ddim yn gweithio gyda webcam. No?
What? You might. Might just give me more evidence to prove it.
Dropping in.
Ouch.
Hang
Oh.
on.
Oh, fi'n edrych yn cool. Fi'n hoffi gai fi.
Yeah,
Fi'n
but the
edrych
guy,
fel acid
the guy
guy.
ti eich teleport.
No. Fi'n edrych fel acid guy o Deadpool 2. A os mae hwn yn unrhyw beth fel hwnna, mae hwn ddim mynd i go for
Oh,
that.
there.
Yeah, with the...
Guy who's seen fire climb from it.
Sure. Fi ddim yn gwybod
King
yna.
Guna.
Gwybod,
Mynd, right,
Give him my,
mynd i'r ship hyn, fi'n mynd drop ti off at.
mae Matt Damon, okay, mae Matt Damon yn Invisible Man. Oh wow, fi ddim yn barod o fi.
Di Matt Damon actually Invisible Man?
Yeah, ti'n gweld e cyn mae married.
Na, mae dim
Brad
Matt Damon.
Pitt, Brad Pitt.
Yeah, fi'n...
Fi cael nhw'n confused, maen nhw'n yr un
Fi'n
person.
feel like serious, bro. In Parasol. I got...
Fi'n
Fi'n
cael...
cael...
Oh, Matt Damon yn Thor. Yn it, wedyn mae Thor Ragnarok.
Yeah.
A fi ddim even gweld e.
Di'n nice to
Oh,
cael...
bye Alex.
Ti'n cael gun, mae'n nice ydi e.
Diolch yn gadw fi fyny.
A mae'n neud ar o'r job, yn mynd safe.
Yn y beth maen nhw'n troi amser yn dweud.
Dau sa'n like... Ah!
Yeah, he's got me married instantly. Oh boy.
Click a square.
Woo!
Do you give it through a square button?
Woo! Yeah, fi di neud e.
Oh, congratulations.
Dyna pa fi'n mynd woo! Fi ddim yn mynd woo oherwydd fi'n sefyll ar boes i.
You actually feel personally attacked, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah. And mae gun hwn yn awful.
Nah, get on good actually, a lot of damage. But ammo and pretty scarce.
So diolch yn dwy'n popeth.
Fi'n...
Oh, mae'n stuff o'r.
Diolch yn
Awesome.
dyn pop if cael hardly any ammo unrhyw beth.
Oh, beth yw hwn?
Knockdown shield mewn fan ti?
Oh, cool.
Ti angen nhw, so if you cael knockdown,
Oh.
ti'n cael shield.
Awesome.
Thanks, yeah, thank you, Harry, come on.
Diolch.
Na-
Nice needle. Hang on.
Oh, I have a great... Oh, hyn a new gun, hyn a new gun. Fi eisiau cael new gun, now, Harry.
So professional. So
Fi
professional.
eisiau cael new gun.
Look that in.
I fi'n cael added latest update. Dwi'n gwybod...
Oh my god.
Bless you, my child.
Fi heb sneud o tol heddiw. Mae camera troi ar nhw, fi'n dechrau sneud o.
Maybe ti just yn hoffi camera.
Mi'n just allergic i ti.
Oh, wow, okay.
Fi'n bod gyda ti am ages hefyd. so fi'n
Harry,
gallu-
ti'n pick a lan some...
Fi'n pigo lan, fi'n gweud bod maen nhw'n explosive now.
Na, ti'n pick a lan energy ammo, wedi ti'n cael e. Pick
Help.
options.
Options.
See un... Na, next.
Yep.
Drop all square.
Drop all.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Fi kind of angen fe mwy na ti.
Thank you.
I thank you.
Oh. Rhywbeth yn sgwedi. Oh, wow. Hello.
All over it.
Pwy dwi'n edrych at?
Hynny'n y champion score ti'n gweld dechrau.
Okay, cool. A fi'n meddwl oedd Nini na hwnna nhw. A fi yn confused.
O ti'n mewch yn eich dyn, Harry.
Fi ddim yn cofio.
Ti'n cael shield eto? Feels that one.
Fi'n gwybod beth maen nhw'n meddwl.
Ti'n gweld, like, bydda name tag fi'n cael 3
Ah,
bars?
right, yeah.
Fi'n cael shield.
Ydy unrhyw beth fan hyn yn useful?
Anything ti'n ddim yn hynna, fi obi fi'n drop so bolts.
Hwn?
Yeah.
Drop. drop.
But didn't drop a shotgun ammo in case they find a
Okay.
shotgun later on.
Awesome.
If they find our Mozambique shotgun,
Yep.
try to pick up a lance.
Okay. Vi beth I bod... Right, yn y holl amser fi chwarae game hwn, hwn wedi bod longest round fi. O ti'n miles away?
Really?
Oh, person!
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Mae ddim gyda gun. Oh, mae gyda gun. Fi dead. Wow. Fi gyda shield up.
I've been accidentally clicked on the wrong button. Been actually
Fi'n
trashed.
cuddio, fi'n cuddio. Oh god. Oh, fi ddim gallu do. Fi ddim yn gorfod...
Okay, I've been so right. I've been going to apologise a lot.
Round one.
I've been agree with saying you never gun on that. So I've been if you find your mat, if you don't have your gun on it, I've never pick it up ever again.
Cool. Yeah, ni'n barod am around nesaf. Ti heb wneud unrhyw beth Keenan Isaacs? Yeah, Keenan.
Survival time. Team beat of that.
A fi'n curo fe fel 4 munud. Awesome.
Okay. Game myself. Return to lobby,
Cool.
boys. Been determined to count you win, have you?
What?
Been determined to count you win.
Wel, mae hyn wedi bod o'r longest video ever, including a 3-hour Fortnite stream.
You need 3 hours for one
I
stream.
think mae rhywbeth ridiculous.
Oh,
Guys,
long.
sy'n edrych really weird.
Wow, body shaming.
Fi'n mynd mwy am a position, rather than a shape.
Still.
Yeah, I am kind of fat hefyd.
Really like, oh Harry, that's body shaming. Nah, dim honna. It's kind of fab.
And also, yeah, fi'n also mynd I... Oh, absolute lesion.
Please
Come on,
patch use a race.
actually dewis Rafe.
Oh my webby. Right, fine.
Yeah, man, actually parasite.
I had Dewis Rafe.
What? Ddim yn mynd I dewis Rafe. I mean, Darius is cool. Ddim yn gwi, but fi'n gael cofio stitching to bloody skills anyway.
Oh, so Caustic, my pal,
All that
to
matters,
avoid gas traps.
being the last one alive.
Cool. Fi ddim mynd I wneud hwnna. Well done. Heads up, fi ddim mynd I do it.
We're about to get carried.
Awesome. Hopefully.
Fine, I think I'm more kills than that, just saying.
Fi gyda 2 kill. A fi ddim wedi wneud either ohonyn nhw.
Do a jump
I'm the
master.
jump master.
Oh my god, my V again.
Oh, good.
It's not good. So you should been really, really hot, beating a lot of
Oh, fi
enemies.
bron yn accidentally launcher solo, hefyd fi ddim yn gwybod beth hwnna'n meddwl.
So you should be min. I've been on a team level. Oh, I might as well min. Okay, me. Ni min fanna.
Let's make a choice.
Ni
Land
mynd?
here.
Fanna.
Stupid.
Jumping in,
I'm
hang
sure a
on.
place for you land up. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
No, I'm fine. 18 last like good. Hour.
Good. I pobl sy'n gwylio oedd yn just o lan low battery, so...
Been in Gweld hwnna.
Mynd yn y stream o'n i.
Oh yeah.
Ti angen cofio, hwn yn y screen ni'n ffilmo, hwn yn yr un ni ddim.
Os ydyn nhw'n gweld o'r embarrassments of beth last time of fi.
Yeah, rydw i ddim yn gweld fi.
Oh
Roedd
god.
hwnna'n really helpful I fi.
I've been literally choke off so bad. I've been choke
Mae
off.
fe
Neu
ar...
can drop us, min solo, can you reach our ground and big play Harry.
Ydy e?
Yeah, because then,
Awesome.
because my rune
Oh, yeah.
my rune can steal loot teeth, doesn't it?
Mae'n edrych loads o loot yn hyn.
Nice, you can't dim loot. Oh my god, literally no gun.
Fi gyda pistol.
We may make a joke about hitting PG rated.
Ydy e? Oh, fi gyda 2 gun.
Oh, if you can't figure gun,
Pam ydw i'n troi?
you can't figure.
Fi ddim yn cyffredin
Oh,
unrhyw
I
beth.
can't control the glitch for I think I have a
Awesome. Diolch am hwnna.
Sometimes we just try our own vet. We don't do Pam.
Mae'n heavy rounds fan hyn.
I haven't got in your gun, so.
Wyt ti eisiau pistol?
I think the gun would be good. Favorite gun we have in Friday? None of them. Ooh, I will
Helmet.
take you down.
Helmet. Oh wait, no. Hwnna'n shield.
Do they have a heavy ammo you know about?
Fan hyn.
Take a ping of it. Click
A wan.
left one. Oh!
Fi yn yn unig peth fi'n cofio o'r tutorial. Edrych fi ddim yn gwybod sut i wneud am i.
Harry, literally top level plays.
Come on.
Do you want good?
Come on.
What?
Dwi'n rili eisiau heavy ammo.
Yeah, fi'n Noel's pethau, Harry. Harry, literally, no offense, but you're like a worst member of our team right now. What? Harry, you give me a hard time. You're literally a worst member of our team, no offense.
Oh, oedd hwnna'n default option for your worst. Os fi ddim yn y worst, ni mewn trouble.
Can we just do it? Team Cal best shield.
Oh yeah.
But actually good, because he didn't take most amount of damage.
Yeah.
Slightly.
Oh, my stuff. Ooh.
Peacekeeper, Hunter, so good shotgun, take it.
Caleb. We didn't get it.
I've been tempted just straight off.
Mana now energy ammo bana LCA should
I've been cutting Bruce Young there, so. I've been so tempted just straight. Teammate shot Hunter Harriman, terrible.
Vi vill wedi cymryd e over pistol anyway. Fi
Uh,
ddim yn trust ti that much.
Bleeding teammate, ni.
Ti
Oh, no,
fanna.
my fine.
Ma' fe'n lan fanna.
Fi'n meddwl just
Hello.
fi'n mynd.
Hello. Mae'n i mynd.
Harry, fi'n dod â ammo i ti.
Oops. Ammo am byth.
Gun.
Diolch Alex, ti'n more helpful. Hello. Please by safety fi. Awesome. Diolch.
Wait, ti'n cael unrhyw ti yma, ie?
Yeah, fi ddim angen skull piercing, rifling, neu
Drop
sniper
new,
stock.
drop new.
Also, so drop.
Harry, ti'n gyda fi 2 pepper fi angen am y gun fi.
Yeah, team.
Literally teamwork.
Squad.
Oh, ni angen mynd i circle.
Help. Fi'n stuck to your van.
Harry, edrych beth fi chi'n neud? Edrych fi, ready?
Okay.
You ready for this?
No. Na fi. Oh, my van. Fi dag eich gweld ti, by the way.
Yeah, if fi'n mynd completely invisible, bydd hwnna'n so about.
Yeah, on that one in like 3 seconds.
Quick.
You know, if we just slide all our hills.
Yeah, right. Sliding. Ti'n chi'n neud like sliding boost if ti'n gwneud fi edrych watch.
Mae'n just edrych fel ti cael fit.
Teammate ni finally join up.
Eh?
Teammate ni finally near ni. Edrych ar map. Top left.
Oh yeah.
Top chwith. Wembley.
Diolch, Alex.
Mae'n iawn, Harry.
Meow.
Mae'n iawn, Harrica.
Ddim yn enw fi, though.
Hey, Harrica. Hey,
Mae'n energy am y
Harrica.
fan.
Yeah, I've been ping o hwnna.
Awesome.
Hello, it's me.
Mae'n lago fel. Lot.
Yeah, ti just cael lag spike, oes ti?
No, fydd edrych fel rhaid.
Haha, yoinked.
Fi ddim angen.
Oh,
Fi just hoffi inspector stuff.
mae'n
Oh, awesome. Fi just bolt over well.
Wow.
Oh.
dum. Pwy sy'n mynd cael y first?
T.
Edrych ar gun fi, fi'n cael mae'n so good.
Oh, fi'n troi eto. Mae controller ti'n cael spasm.
Yeah, ti'n just...
Mwy mwy ammo.
O, hwnna'n peacekeeper.
Yeah.
Yoink!
Fi'n barod gyda peacekeeper. Ti eisiau mwy ammo?
Na, fi'n cael hefyd.
Ti gyda mwy ammo na fi.
Edrych ar ammo
Fi'n
mae'n
cael
lot.
2 ammo pickups. so ti gyda mwy
Edrych
ammo.
ar ammo mae'n longbow fi.
Ti gyda loads.
Hyn yn sniper as well.
Oh wow, ni'n sorted then.
Yeah, fi'n actually really weird because fi'n hoffi cario sniper
Oh,
a shotgun.
ti the guys ddim yn kill.
Yeah, fi yn.
Now chill.
On my bet on anyway.
Wyt ti ddim pryd o fi'n dweud e?
Okay, Harry, whatever you say. I'm Man Junior. We should change our name, be so bad. Mae'n so
Yeah, mae
cringy.
energy'n awful.
Do you know how many names have been dewis?
Beth yw enw fi? Like actual account. It isn't just Harry. Harry the dog. Fi Dobsy.
Oh, fi ddim...
Ti ddim gyda fe.
Ti yn.
Also, ti'n yr un sy'n record so Tim.
Friends. I think potentially right now.
Wel, mae'n ddim...
Oh, fi just pop a lan.
Mi fi'n edrych yn anwyl.
Mech around. Oh my god. Mae'n enemies nearby, just ignore it.
Okay.
Fi'n gwybod blaze, so be careful.
Awesome. Yeah.
Ble my teammate?
Ti'n more useful, Alex.
Fi'n lose our teammate ni.
Mae'n
Oh.
gyda ni, hwn i'r map.
Right.
Ddim yn enemy, just...
Fi'n actually unloot his, so being safe than him being ready. Oh my god, fi'n cael 255 ammo am sniper.
Yn ddim yn dig, fi gyda like dim ammo am machine gun fi.
Oh, fi cael... mae'n a lot of ammo. Oh! Harry, ti'n gweld y screen fi?
Yeah.
Y team break up. Mae hyn yn rare. Team breaking into cael loads of loot.
Cool.
Mae'n ammo am y gun ti.
Mae'n rhywbeth fydd... Oh, cool. Ble?
Fi pick fel lan i ti.
Cool. Slide. Slide. Ble? Na, fel.
Wyt ti'n siarad am y thing over here, like, ti'n cael ship arno fe? Cario hwnna.
Hwn?
Cario nhw gyd, ti'n good. O, ti'n drop o rhywbeth?
Yeah, about
Grenade.
Hwn?
Na, hyn o'n ffyr mae grenade.
Hwn?
Normal grenade, yeah.
Cool.
Wyt ti'n siarad o'r screen fi real quick, Harry? Wyt ti'n siarad am hyn?
No.
Oh.
There's ti.
Wyt ti'n dweud ti'n gweld hyn, a ti'n gwando beth yn y rhan?
Na, fi'n meddwl fi'n siarad am hwn.
Oh. Yeah.
Fi'n meddwl hwn yn creu.
No,
I
so,
need a robot, a Pithar Boyster,
Yeah,
from
but-
Others and a loot crate.
yeah, him, and just if he.
You've given him Hanan.
Oh, okay, calm down,
Hod.
Jesus.
Hod.
Oh,
Or is it already opened? I'm being confused.
we can go blame him to be honest. Maybe a market.
On a market? They're really casual. None of them felt really aggressive game. They're nice to got a bit of a gap.
Maybe down a tunnel.
Break. Cool. We just do
Most likely
into-
enemies are tunnel hidden, so one of ours.
Nice.
Like, literally like 10 squads, Vin even screams top of my lungs.
I've been really excited he freed my controller and Mario as soon as Nikal got around.
Oh my god, same. He can't charge it, so I think I'll back up.
It's only really when he went born for beta.
Well, we didn't have anything that bad. I think that have been last or okay round.
Yeah. Round die. Yeah, friends.
Harry, actually, I've asked stuff in Cal.
How'd you get such a big backpack?
I've been themed a level 3 backpack.
Oh. My loot. Oh, Managra further than Oh no! I'm doing
Loads
stuff.
loads of ammo for you. PT.
Awesome. Nice. Never got enough ammo.
Yeah, it's got too much
Throw your
forward.
please, throw an answer.
Oh my god, man, a lot. Oh, legendary stuff. Oh, yes. 4 times 10 times think. If you can call it, please, because we got sniper.
Bit too shiny?
Hitting.
Cool. No.
Mine are, oh, oh, the angle on it.
Oh, my end crouch also battling, you gotta enemy stuff.
Yeah, enemies.
You don't hit Gweld in
Ah,
range.
Harry, is your scope there?
Better than you in.
Hi,
I'm
my
really bored
scope-
round Arab and he got
Hi.
loads of good gear when he killed by when he didn't got Gweld.
Harry, scope. Now, my game hidden light on it, usually.
Oh, good.
Harry, because my no sniper, he one shot you.
Right.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
You just need Frida.
Harry, my sniper, like, sight me, and almost as big as the whole gun.
Yeah. Hello.
You can break the doors by the way, Ezra.
Bye.
I've seen Dory V. A bam.
Oh wow. Not a bit much.
Door be gone.
The greatest with a parasol about us he did in Quarry. With some random guy. Sorry, many T there.
We should better, like, shield. Harry, told you worst one Master Diony, no offense. Cal's the better shield.
Yeah, boy.
Woman, circle and
So we
stuff.
barrel them snipers. Oh, bit of the hun.
See if we can call Hannah.
Okay.
King of it, in case my person I'm calling.
Awesome.
Nice. Team learning. I'm proud of
Oh,
you.
Drews. You should kick it out. Oh.
I'm proud of you, Jonathan.
Yeah. I just gotta scream it. Yeah.
These summits, so team I should join on it.
I'll do like I'm Dwayne, kid.
Needs. Oh. Ping, ping.
We never actually got out.
Team let you trap him.
Oh no. Defenders.
Cool.
RSMV.
What the? Oh, a teammate just went in loud. Oh shoot.
Oh wow. Shotgun out.
I've been scared.
When you press the ping, you do it via further away. But then Kumpa.
I think we're sit different big with. I know 4 damage from game him.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, my banner thing right in the middle of the map.
Oh, awesome. Lovely.
If he min damn him, I'm gonna be really risky.
Yeah, so you got a best of Tiang in now. Probably been doing
A Diny Gaki.
Okay, so you should cover a V pre V min now, man.
Vinkar,
I've seen a better shot.
Vinkar, disappear invisible thing, so.
Oh yeah, actually. So you should know.
Where is it? I don't even know where it is. Oh no, no. And it's so risky right now.
Okay, if you got a eyes on it too.
Don't shoot me.
Right, min invisible.
Nah, team like a native Pam team invisible.
Alright. I'm gonna Rubeth Vara with him in Parasol.
Nice, we
Ring
got it.
closing, need Mona.
I think I got Rain Eva because of the mine guns.
Yeah.
A net positive result.
Vidal electricity. Image.
That's usually
Maybe Kyd or something.
mine no, being good.
Right. Kyders.
Okay, need respawn of everyone, go play my own now. Oh, my
My bad.
countdowns, my countdown. I mean,
Oh no!
it's fine, it's fine.
Okay.
Tikal no ramping in.
We've been panic a bit, man. Play?
Yeah, oh! This called achievement!
Maybe ping our hun, you guy.
We should conduct a search.
Oh, wait, we mean my
Oh.
enemies.
Okay. Oh, forgot me. Went even in. Oh no, Veen does. Veen's so good. Yeah, Veen down.
Back up.
Okay, Veen engage up on a cliff. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, Veen married. But then when he made the plan. Oh.
And he
Good
can't
way
jump.
when he made him Maru as soon as he got in.
Yeah.
Well, we've gone on amazing adventures of Apex Legends.
Oh my god, man, no.
TL Cloud, Oblivion.
Mm-hmm.
Too many great to there?
Horror it's
Been one
heavy.
names.
Yeah, we've been one names because the unnamed special.
TL Cloud.
Horror.
Be them a dad battle royale.